In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect PS4 controller to iPad Minecraft. So let's get started. Now the first step is to check iPad compatibility. So for this we have to head over to settings, then go to general and then click on about. Now here you have to make sure that your iPad is running OS 13 or newer. And if it's running something lower, then just go and click on software update and make sure you update to the latest version available on your iPad. Then we go to the main part for putting the PS4 controller into pairing mode. And this is how you do that. So we have to hold the PS button and the share button at the same time for about 5 seconds. Once you do that, the light on the front of your controller is going to start blinking white. So it goes on, goes off, and then comes back on. So it's going to start blinking white, and that indicates that the controller is currently in pairing mode. Then we're going to head over to our settings, go to Bluetooth, and under other devices, you're going to look for something like DualShock 4 wireless controller. Just go ahead and click on it and it should get connected. Then you can simply launch Minecraft and the controller should work automatically. If you want to change settings on your controller, then you can just go to settings, controller, and change whatever settings you wish to change. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.